today we are still at WAIC in Shanghai, and right now I'm at the booth of ULSRobotics. And I have the pleasure to talk with the manager here, Mr. Chen. Hi, Mr. Chen.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah, could you please just let us know? We have seen a lot of people here trying to test your skeleton, your equipment. Could you please let us know what it's all about?
Yeah, nowadays you see the exoskeleton. This exoskeleton is for help people to working. For example, like hiking, climb mountains. Also, it can help elder people to work because some elder people, they have weak muscle and they can work, but they cannot work for a long time. And when they just stay, they don't want to work and their muscle will continuously don't have the power. Yeah, so this exoskeleton can help them and increase the living standard.
And it is also used for industrial scenario.
Yeah, this is our exoskeleton for normal consumers, and we have some exoskeletons for industry use, for example, to supporting arm and to help people in lifting. And we have already sold these exoskeletons to Europe, Middle East, and Southeast Asia, and also in South America.
Yeah. So how powerful could it be? For example, if I can naturally lift 10 kilogram like box, with that I can lift maximum to 30 or?
Actually, it's give you extra power. It can give you a maximum for 30 kilo power to help you in lifting. For example, if you want to lift about a 40 kg thing, you wear it and you will feel you are only lifting 10 kg thing.
Ah, right. So what is the technology secret behind?
It's based on sensors and the data kind of different because exoskeleton is actually combined with human technology and the robot technology. It's not like other robots, they can move and work independently, but the exoskeleton, you have to wear it. It helps people.
All right. And do they have a lithium battery inside? Or,
yes, it has a battery, for example, like this one. This one has a battery, and one battery can support people to work for about 20 kilometers.
How many hours in general?
Actually, we just count on the distance, basically over 20 kilometers.
Right. And what kind of application scenarios do abroad, overseas customers usually demand?
For example, in some aviation repair and airplane manufacturers, because sometimes workers have to keep their arm up for time, and our exoskeleton can give them support. Also for logistics, for warehousing, that some workers need to carry about heavy stuffs, heavy goods, and they have to do this kind of work every day. They don't need to lift very heavy stuff, for example, 100 or 200 kilograms, but they have to lift about 10 kilo, 20 kilo, hundreds times per day. That also does a lot of harm to their waist. They can use exoskeletons to help them.
So which market is the most, with the biggest growth for your company?
For the biggest growth, it's Southeast Asia.
Southeast Asia?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah,
because the labor there is quite low cost.
Yes, but they're just like China 20 years ago. They are also looking forward to this kind of thing because also they want to compare with China. Yeah, and also in Europe and South America, also a lot of people try to use this kind of stuff because in this place, people are more concerned about their own health.
So it's more in the industrial situation than personal.
In the North America, South America, and Europe, people are care about their own health. And in Middle East and Southeast Asia, they think this is a very high tech.
Can you share with us some very interesting examples when you go global? For example, some local requirements, maybe it's very specific.
Yeah, for example, in Singapore, there are a lot of workers, but the Singapore is very hot. That is, it requires to reduce the waste or give some small fans to let them keep cool.
And also it needs extra maybe waterproof or humidity reduction function.
Yes. For this one, we can basically make to IP65, but it's for some special version. And normal, it's just a small ring, it's okay, but we don't suggest that you're walking in the ring. But also, it's better for your health.
So you think in the future it will be used for each elder people?
Yes, not for the hiking for elder people. We think that's the most important because a lot of people, elder people, their muscle is weak because of their age. It's not about some disease, but they actually need something to help them.
I have seen quite some similar products produced by European companies, by German companies. So what is your competitive advantage compared with your global competitors? Lighter or is multifunctional?
It's not that lighter because we use a special structure. You see, like this one. Let me show you. We use a special structure like this. This one is floats.
Yeah.
And that means you can do a lot of things when you wear it. Some people use it to dance or something. It's also okay because it's very flexible. It's suitable for everyone. We use different kind of new technologies, but not just the price or something to against them.
So it's about flexibility, it's about the breakthrough of the whole framework, right?
Yes.
So you think in the future, what will be the development direction of this kind of skeleton? It will be battery?
Battery motors, and we'll try different kinds of ways to control it. Because now we use sensors to detect people's movement, but in the future we maybe use some to contact people's thinking and just
the brain. Then it can help the disabled people.
Yes. More people can use it.
Right. Okay. Thanks a lot. I think we have learned quite something about your company and your products. Thank you.
Thank you.
And if you want to know more about Chinese robotics and Chinese robotics going global, don't forget follow us. And then you feel like it adapts to my pace and help me to move. This skeleton has an AI algorithm, embodied AI function inside. So with my first moves, it can detect it and then adjust like its pace to my pace. So right now I want to go upstairs and to see whether it can help me as well. So let's see if I move up. I think it can be very useful for elderly lady because when they don't have enough muscles especially, so this can really help. So that is the testing part for today. See you!